Hello, this is my Android Final. It's called Hoop Garden. It is a basketball training app, and it's modeled after another app I use called Strava, which is basically, it's kind of like a social network type thing for mostly running and cycling. Um, but it followed a similar idea where you have a timeline, if it'll ever load. Also, just want to give a heads up, my computer is extremely slow, and the screen recording software is making it even slower. So, but yeah, so you have basically a timeline. You can see your workouts, your friends' workouts, how they went. Another feature we have here is the calendar view. And the calendar view kind of lets you track and see your different workouts you've completed. Just gives you a brief summary. We have the drills, of course, which are the building block of basketball training workouts over here. And so you can go in and create your drills. Let's see, I forget what I have here. Let's do layup. We'll save it. You can come in and edit these again, of course. Layup. And you can delete them. I don't really want to. I've done this a bunch of times now. But yeah, trust me, it deletes. Layup. You know what? Let's delete it. I'm gonna add it back. Layup. All right, let's save it. And it's back. Cool. And so these are drills. These make up a workout. We have one workout already. Let's create another one. Demo workout. So shooting focus should take 60 minutes. Demo workout. Oh, that didn't work at all. All right, let's add a drill. Let's do a layup. And let's do pull-up jumper. Cool. And then you can, of course, add sets and things like that. Oh, okay, that's a lot. Let's save that. If you come back, it'll still be there. Let's save that. And yeah, so this is the building block of the app. Let's go complete a workout. So we got a timer started, and let's say I leave. Well, let me describe this first, I guess. This is the overview page. It just shows you all the drills you're going to do. This gives you one by one. You can go through them and, check them off as you finish. And of course, let's say if you leave this page, you can just hit this floating action button here, come back to it, time's still good. And then let's go ahead and do some reps. All right, making some progress, nice. And you can X off if you want and go between these, but let's finish it. It was a good workout, nice. All right, and then yeah, when you add a note, it'll add it on the timeline. Oh, you also get this little surprise, nice animation. But let's go to the timeline. That was from a failed demo, but okay, here's this guy, new guy. It was a good workout, nice. Cool, so that's on there. And then, so I showed you, I guess, this is the main piece of functionality, or this is one of the main pillars of functionality here. This timeline feature that allows you to have, live feeds of the other users. Another big piece of functionality is a shared workout. And so I already have a few shared workouts, but let's delete them. And then let's share this. Let's see. I think I have 2 friends. Nice. Let's share it with Aaron. That's me. I'll share it. And it creates another copy just so if you want to have, your own thing, it doesn't, mess with it. And then, you know what? Let's share it with tester as well. So let's share. And now, when you make edits, they'll get it too. So let's change it to 65. And hopefully, when we log on their account, we will be able to see that. So let's go to our user profile. You can also add friends here, but I don't have enough users, so we'll have to create a new one just to show that. So when I log in, I should be able to see that demo workout. All right, let's sign in. All right. And then, yeah, of course, we see, new guy. He's our friend, so it got updated. And let's come here. Okay, so demo workout, cool. So this demo workout was actually from a previous failed attempt, so let's just delete that. All right, so let's come in here and edit it. Okay, and so we saw a 65 that I just edited. Aaron was here. All right, next, do I have any cool drills? Let's see. Okay, I have 3-pointer. I have crossover. Nice. All right, add those in. Save workout. Cool. And it's still there. So, and now let's go back and let's log in as. Actually, let's see. I don't know if I remember my test@gmail.com. Interesting. Okay. Let's log out. Test@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And let's see workouts. All right, demo workout. Let's go check this. Let's make sure it actually. Oh, Aaron was here. Nice. Cool. So it did work. All right, that's cool. And yeah, that's the main pieces of functionality for this. So you have the ability to start a workout. You can edit them, delete them, share them with other people. And you have your calendar view here, just to recap. And then I'll show the add friend feature. And now I'm going to be testing my final functionality just to show the friend structure. So let's create a new user. Now create the user. Nothing special here, but we'll create them, and then we'll go add some friends. Oh. Okay, finally. I don't know what just happened there. It's taking a while. I might be getting throttled, or maybe my computer's still just slow. Alright, I mean, well, actually this makes sense because I don't have any friends. So my timeline is empty. Calendar, empty. My drills are empty too. So, we'll come here to profile. That's me, cool guy. And we'll go add a friend. Let's go. Let's see, let's add a friend. Nice, friend added. Let's see what happens when I enter in something wrong. Aaron at This.com. Oh, dang it. All right. And then let's add one more person. Add a friend. Nice, friend added. So now we have these friends in here, and let's go see some of what they've been up to, if it ever loads. And oh, it finally loaded right when I navigated away. But yeah, so now I can see all their recent success. Look at that, I'm doing good. And if I want to, I can create a workout. Let's create a simple one. I hate this thing. Okay, get away, keyboard. Next. That doesn't need anything. I'm just going to show that you can share it. And I only want to show her there. Cool. So I got our shared workouts. It's over here now. And I'm going to add this guy in too. Cool. And so now that's all the functionality I have. This one, shared one, will still exist. So they can go edit it all they want. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.